Hello, welcome back to English with Eleanor. Today I'm going to go for a little walk and I'm going to tell you about how I became an English teacher. Do you know how I became an English teacher? Me neither. I wish I were one of those people who had a plan from the beginning. When I was at school, I met some people and they always knew what they wanted to do in life, what career they wanted to pursue. So in English, we pursue a career. They always knew, and I didn't. And for me, as a teenager and a young adult, I felt a little bit lost because I didn't have a direction I wanted to go in particular. So what I did was I just studied the subjects that interested me. So the things that came kind of easily and naturally to me, which were basically languages. So I went to school in the UK school system where you study A levels as your final exam before university. And for my A levels, I studied German, French, and English. So all languages. And then when I went to university, I studied French and Spanish. And after that, I had no idea what to do next. People sent me options. Oh, you can work in PayPal. You can work in this company and use your French. And I wasn't really sure, but it didn't really feel like me. So I started looking for postgraduate courses. So in English, or in the UK, we study a degree. And this is something that I notice a lot with English language learners, is that there is confusion over the language that we use to describe these different stages. So we have an undergraduate degree or a bachelor's degree. For me, that was French and Spanish. And then you can study a postgraduate degree, which is maybe like a master's degree or some kind of diploma. So I looked around at options for postgraduate qualifications and I saw a master's in teaching English to speakers of other languages. And I thought, okay, I'll apply for that. Why not? So I applied, I did the interview, I was accepted, and it turned out that I really enjoyed the degree that I did. I really enjoyed meeting people and learning how to teach the language. We travelled to Hungary to teach as part of that degree, and I felt like it was something I really enjoyed, but I never thought I would actually get a job after that. But coincidentally, one day I was horse riding in a stables close to where I lived, and somebody said, oh, you know, there's a language school just beside us here in town. Why don't you tell them what you're studying? I said, okay, again, why not? So I went and I interviewed and I did a practice lesson and I was hired. And basically, since then, I've been teaching. So since the time that I finished my master's, I've had a job in my field teaching English. And during that time, I have grown so much in confidence, and I really feel like I am doing what I enjoy and what I'm good at. And that's a really nice feeling, actually. definitely it is not the career to be in if you want to be very rich, or if you want to have maybe a lot of hours every day. But for me, it's perfect because there is a lot of job satisfaction, because I meet a lot of people, and because I learn as much from my students as I am able to teach them. I learn about their culture and their language, and I learn about their perspectives on life. And it's almost like traveling to their countries without actually making the journey. So I'm really glad that I have ended up in this career. And now I'm going to ask you some questions to see if you understood what I was saying. So the first question is, did I always know what I wanted to be? Did I always know what I wanted to be? The second question is, did I work in other areas after I finished my master's, or did I just work in the field of English language teaching? And the third question, am I satisfied in the job that I am doing? Do I enjoy it? Yes or no? So tell me the answers. I will put the answers in the comments for you to check to see if you're right. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. Please tell me about your job, if it was something that you always planned to do, or if it was something that just happened as you followed your dreams and your interests. I'm really curious, so tell me about that. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.